Hi everyone! So today is the launch day for my new digital kit. It's called Familiar Trees because a lot of the beautiful images that I edited are from the series called Familiar Trees in the early 1900s. What I have are two small sets as part of the collection, and the reason I split it up into two is because there are limits to how many files and how big they are when you upload to Etsy. So I just thought this would just be simpler, so it'll be two smaller kits. Now I have resized them here, but the kit, when you purchase it, the images fill your pages, your 8.5 by 11 pages. What I'm showing you today are the first test prints that I did, and I had resized them smaller because I was at that point trying to decide which cover I was going to use. I do have a tutorial how to do that without maintaining aspect ratio in Photoshop Elements, and I will have that link at the end here. So on this first one here, I've got the oak tree and a close-up. Just love trees, so obviously a digital kit to celebrate them was just a natural progression in my work. And then here we have the walnut. And some of these nut trees I don't believe grow this far north, so it would be something for me to actually see actual nut trees. Here we've got the mountain ash, which I absolutely love. We have a few in our yard. This is a maple in its full autumn glory here. And then these little seed pods. And then the cherry tree. Just gorgeous colors. And then we have the horse chestnut, and we definitely don't have these growing this far north, or at least I've never seen one up here. Stunning, stunning fruit. And so this is 6 image pages, and then I have 2 journaling cards that are larger. They're about 4 by 6. So you could use these as images for your journal covers if you want, or you could just make a spread with these. I just wanted to add more images of trees, and I was trying to figure out another way to do that, so I've added these larger cards. So this one here is a Lombardy poplar, and then here we've got the beech tree. So we've got the colors in summer and colors in the fall. And then the last sheet in this kit, I've got 6 eco-printed tags, just assorted leaves. We've got maple in there, we've got some dogwood, we've got some mountain ash, just an assortment of leaves that I have from my backyard. So the second set is a set of 6 eco-printed images. So I've got this one here. A lot of great interesting colors, and when you eco-dye you get like a watercolor effect. It's brilliant, it's gorgeous. This one here has a lot of the greens, and I find that when you do the eco-dyeing at different times of the season, depending on the stages of your leaves, you get different results. You also get different results based on the paper you use. So this one was a fun one. Something a little more subtle here. And some of these have a lot of the white space for journaling on, or for doing some embellishing. This one here is also equally gorgeous. This was more in the fall, so the colors were a little different. And then this here, I had some of the mountain ash berries actually pressed in there, so they came out gorgeous. And then another favorite of mine. And then again in this one I've got 2 more of the larger cards that are 4x6. We've got the apple, blossom, and fruit there. And we've got a spindle tree. And then for the tags, we've got some trees on 3 of them, and then 3 of them are eco prints with actual leaves at various stages in my yard. So this was more of a summer maple leaf, and this was in the fall another maple leaf, and then the oak leaf there. So I am really excited to finally release this collection, and the plan now is to create a journal with all of this, which I will be sharing at some point. When I do come back to this one, I will have decided and picked out the cover for it. I'm not married to the idea of this one yet. It's in very bad shape, and so I've been distressing it further, and I'm just not sure yet, which is fine. That's my process. It might end up being this one, which was also in very bad shape. It was tearing, so it came apart. But I will be back with a video soon, and if you have any questions about this kit, let me know. It is available now on both the website and in my Etsy shop, so you can decide which store you prefer shopping from. So I will see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.